Yesterday, it will rain a sunny day. I know, falling down like water. I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain?
Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah!
Yesterday and days before,
The sun is cool and rain will fall.
I know, been that way for all my time. When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, falling down like water. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain?
Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah!
Yesterday and days before,
The sun is cool and rain will fall.
I know, been that way for all my time.
Till forever on it goes.
Through the cycle fast and slow, I know, and it won't stop. I wonder,
I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah!
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain?
Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah! I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah! Thank you. That's all. It was a beautiful CCR.
Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know,
Shining down that water till forever on it goes. To the cycle fast and slow. I know,
thinking it won't stop.
I wonder. I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? I want to know, have you ever seen the rain? Coming down on a sunny day. One more time. I want to know,
Have you ever seen the rain?
the rain.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain?
Coming down on a sunny day. Yeah! Thank you. Hotel California. Hotel California. The eager, let me get some breast. She said goodbye. Say hello. Hello, hello.
Do you know that one? No.
Quando, maybe I do.
Don't know that one, sorry.
Say goodbye.
I
Say
say,
goodbye. Ole, the one.
don't know, sorry, I
Never mind, we get you Hotel California, the Eagles, you know. This one's better, you know. 1960, you know, yeah, the Eagles. Okay.
on a dark, dusty highway, cool wind in my hair, warm smell of eucalyptus rising up through the air.
I'm a
Head in the distance,
I saw
saw a
this
street
light.
light. I hit her heavy and my eyes grew. Had to stop for the night.
Say stood at the doorway.
Heard the mission bells.
I was saying to myself,
Could be heaven, this could be hell.
then she lighted a candle.
And she showed me the way.
There were voices down the corridor.
Thought I heard them say, welcome to the Hotel California.
Such a lovely place.
Lovely place.
Such a lovely place. Plenty of room at Hotel California. Any time of the year, you can find here. Her mind is deeply twisted. She got the most in the face. She got a lot of pretty
Got a lot of
boys
pretty boys.
that she calls friends. How they dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Sometimes to remember
And sometimes
to forget. So I called out the captain.
please bring me my wine, said we.
We haven't had a spirit here since 1969. And those voices were calling from far away. Wake up in the middle of the night just to hear them say,
Welcome to the Hotel California. Such a lovely place.
such a lovely place.
Lovely place.
Miriam at Hotel California. What a nice surprise. Mirror on the ceiling.
Pink
Champagne on ice. Listen, we are just prisoners here on our own devices. And in the master chamber, they can't afford the space. They stand and they stand
Really nice. But they just can't remember the
Last thing I remember, I was running for the door. I had to find a passage back to where I was before. Relax at the night, man. You have programs to receive. You can check at any time you like, but you can never leave.
Hotel California. Such a lovely place. Such a lovely place. Plenty of room at the Hotel California. What a nice surprise. Thank you so much. Plenty of room at the Hotel California.
Any time of the year, you can find it here. Her mind is definitely twisted.
She got the Mercedes Benz.
She got a lot of pretty, pretty boys.
The ones that she calls friends.
As they dance in the courtyard, sweet summer sweat. Sometimes to remember, sometimes to forget. So I call the captain, please bring me my wine. He said, we haven't had a spirit here since 1969. And those voices were calling from far away. Wake you up in the middle of the night just to hear them say,